Today, you will learn how to insert an image in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Before inserting the image, click in your document where you want the picture to appear. This is important because Word will insert the image exactly at that location. Go to the top menu and click Insert tab, Pictures, This Device. A file browser will open. Now, go to the folder where your image is saved, select the image, click Insert. Your image will now appear in the document. Don't have an image saved on your computer? No problem. Go to Insert, Pictures, Online Pictures. A search window will open. Type what you want to search for, select the image, and click Insert. You can even select multiple images and insert them together. Word has a built-in screenshot tool. Go to Insert, Screenshot. You'll see thumbnails of open windows on your computer. Click any window to insert its screenshot instantly, or choose Screen Clipping to select a specific part of your screen. Click, drag, and release, and that screenshot will be inserted into Word automatically. Very useful for tutorials, reports, and assignments. After inserting the image, drag the corners to resize. Click and drag to move. If it doesn't move freely, change Wrap Text to In Front of Text. Now you know 3 powerful ways to insert images in Word: from your device, from the internet, and from screenshots. These simple tricks make your documents more attractive and professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more super simple Microsoft Word tutorials made specifically for beginners. See you in the next video.